He's like holding on. This is the right way. This is the way we're going.
So freaking scary. I can't imagine the back way.
Vinny, hold on! Hold on! This is straight. This is 90 degrees. This is the way we're going. Hi, Mama. How are we doing?
Holding the carrier.
Holding the carrier. Look at the rocks.
Look at the water on the rocks.
Tray.
Tray, not the tray.
Can you see, Gosh? I can't.
No.
All right, everybody,
the
please
boy.
remain seated till we come to a complete stop, and I'll let you know when that happens.
Oh my God.
Remember, these cars still leave approximately every 20 minutes from time they stop, all day long, all the way up to 5:40. 5:40 will be the last trip going.